Hi, it's me, Kevin again. Okay, today we'll talk about, you see all the boxes here, right? Actually, today is very important for you guys that just bought your MacBook, Apple Pencil, your iPad, even your iPhone. Make sure you keep all the boxes. I'll give you 3 reasons why you should keep your boxes, okay? First reason is the most important one. Okay, if you buy your Apple devices, right, direct from Apple at TRX KL, they have a 14 days return policy. Okay, so if you do not like your product or the product have any defect or anything like that, box, everything whole set, return to them. You can exchange for a new one or they can refund you. If you do not have the box, they will consider you trade in. Then the price or the value they're going to pay you is going to be lower. Okay, so make sure you have the box. Second reason is, let's say you are in outstation, you're staying in what you call kampong lah, smaller places. You want to get your things repaired. Takkan you travel back and forth to repair the thing, right? Of course you can, but the convenience way is for you to post to a technician like us lah. So it's better to you to have the box so you can pack it securely, put back your device inside, wrap with bubble wrap, wrap with plastic sheet. Usually should be okay already, man. Alright? The third reason is resale value. Let's say after 1 or 2 years, 3 to 4 years, or even 6 to 7 years, you want to upgrade your device, you want to sell it. You, with the box, right, you get better value one, because usually you see Apple devices on online marketplace or whichever platform they're selling used items one. The first question usually buyer will ask you, potential buyer will ask you, the box then make sure you have the box, lor. Okay.